Hello everyone, welcome back again. So, in the continuation of William Shakespeare series, today we are going to learn about the Shakespeare play and their sources. As you all know that Shakespeare is one of the greatest dramatists of the Elizabethan age. So, in this video we are going to learn that Shakespeare had took inspiration of writing his greatest play from where. Means we are going to just speak upon the things, we are going to learn the sources where he actually take inspiration for writing such greatest plays. Yes, one more important thing, as you know that this is the major author literature series, and in this series we took William Shakespeare first. So if you haven't checked out the previous video of William Shakespeare, please go and watch it. So without wasting any time, let's start. So as you can see in your screen that one side it has been written play, and the another side it is written source. So you have to understand that it is means the play like the Comedy of Errors, this source has been taken from Plautus Menaechmi. I hope it is clear to you, right? Let's start again. So the first play, the Comedy of Errors, and the source of this play has been from Plautus's Menaechmi, right? So Plautus is a writer and his work is Menaechmi. Next one is one of the greatest play and the starting play of William Shakespeare, The Two Gentlemen of Verona, and the source is from George de Montemayor's pastoral romance Diana Enamorada, right? Next play is As You Like It, and the source is from Thomas Lodge, and the work is Rosalind. So these sources are very much important because in the previous year examination the sources has been asked, like most commonly source of As You Like It, it has been earlier asked. So do remember, though it is very much easy, you will get the options there and you have to just analyze and think that whose answer is this, right? Next one is the greatest play Romeo and Juliet, and the source is from Arthur Brooks verse poem The Tragical History of Romeo and Juliet, right? Means Shakespeare took inspiration from these works, so we can call it the sources, and he took inspiration and write his own and applied in his own plays, right? Next one is Julius Caesar and other Roman plays, means he took inspiration of Julius Caesar as well as his other Roman plays, from where he took inspiration from Thomas North's translation of Plutarch's lives of the noble Grecians and Romans, right? Next one is Hamlet, the greatest tragic play of William Shakespeare. And also the key fact of Hamlet is that it is one of the longest tragedy of William Shakespeare, and Macbeth was the shortest tragedy. So the source of Hamlet is from Saxo Grammaticus Historia Densia, right? Again I am repeating, Saxo Grammaticus Historia Densia, right? Moving to the next slide, let's see the other plays in this. So the another play was Othello, and the source of Othello is Cinthio's Hecatomiti, right? Again I am repeating, Cinthio's Hecatomiti, right? And the next one is Macbeth, and the source of Macbeth is from Stories from Holinshed Chronicles. Do remember, even it has been asked earlier that they tell the source of the play Macbeth, right? It is from Stories from Holinshed Chronicles. And the another one is All's Well That Ends Well, and the source is from William Painter's Palace of Pleasure, right? William Painter is a writer and his work is Palace of Pleasure. Next one is Pericles, and the source is from John Gower's Confessio Amantis, right? The famous work of John Gower, that is Confessio Amantis, and Shakespeare took inspiration from him, from this work, and write his play Pericle. And the next one is Cymbeline, and the source of Cymbeline is Boccaccio's Decameron, right? And the last one is The Winter's Tale, and he took inspiration from Robert Greene's pastoral romance Pendesto or The Triumph of Time, right? So it is a famous work written by Robert Greene and it is a pastoral romance. Name was Pendesto and the other name of Pendesto was The Triumph of Time, right? Hope it is clear to you all. This is the very short video just to explain the important plays of William Shakespeare as well as their sources. So I hope it is clear to you all. So that's all for today's lecture. Hope you like it. If you found it worthy, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. And you can find the earlier videos of William Shakespeare in the description box too. Thank you so much for your listening.